Hey guys, welcome back. We're finally making some progress on the boot floor here. Actually getting some welds on it. You can see I've spot welded along here where this is joggled from this one to this one panel. We're starting on a seam weld along here, so I've just put the first bunch of tacks along there, and then we'll go along and build on those. See, I've done a little bit of spot welding on the back. Obviously we'll spot weld all the way along here when we get that far, and then we're going to weld all up round here, all around here. Not welding to the arch at the minute because that's coming out. You can see over this side, started doing it here as well. There's just a lot of welding and grinding to do. But some of it's not too bad. This should make quite a nice weld through there. Anyway, I'll pop you on the side and do a few minutes. We've got the copper which we put up underneath using our magnet. Hold that up underneath there to just help me reduce chances of blowing any holes. Blew a little hole there, so I had to make a little donut of weld. Filled in alright though, should be okay. Right, better leave that bit alone for now. It's getting a lot of heat in there, even with the copper behind. So I'll move on and do a bit over here, I think. Right, speak to you later, guys. Just a bit of a close-up of some welding I've got along this side. Not the best, it'll clean up nicely. Anyway, we're getting there. This much pretty much done here. Here. I've just got some more over there to do, but I need to clean off some more paint, so that's it for now, guys. And then when it's all ground down, I have to check it from the inside as well. Alright, cheers guys, bye.